Hello and welcome to this new tutorial video about the Hera game. Today I will be talking about the different buildings you can place on the map. I am going to use the teacher view for this video, and more precisely I'm inside the scenario editor. All the icons which are placed on this bar here are going to help you place building on the map or modify the map. The first thing you can do is delete elements on the map, either one by one or in huge areas. And if you have layers of elements, like this power pole which is on top of the road, I can delete them one by one. Here I will delete only the power pole, and after that I can delete the road if I want to. Next we have terraforming, which allows you to modify the shape of the terrain. I can either raise or lower the ground, or I can level it so I can form plateaus or plains. Next comes housing. It comes in 4 different flavors, which are basically linked to how many people are going to be housed. Small, condominium, apartment buildings, and skyscrapers. You can also see some variation in each subcategory. That comes from the fact that some houses will consume more or less electricity, some houses will offer more or less garage space. Next comes industry, in which we have farms, actual factories, and different types of recycling and pollution treatment station. The industries are very useful for boosting the revenues of your town, and the different recycling and treatment stations are crucial to help you reduce the pollution on the map. Commerce helps to boost the revenue, but also the happiness of your citizens. It comes in the form of malls, of small shops, or business office buildings. Next come public services. The first tab hosts everything which is linked to police, fire stations, hospitals, and education. The second tab is transportation related, where you can place bus stop for public transportation or parking lots to manage the parking space in your city and the airport. Then you have parks to help boost the morale and diminish the pollution in your town. And the last tab hosts all the buildings linked to trash disposal. Next we have culture. Cultural buildings are going to help you boost the culture in your town, but some of them are also going to boost the education, like the museum. Infrastructure will help you with the entire infrastructure of your town, starting with the different types of road, with or without bus lanes, with or without asphalt on them. Then you have the different types of energy producing buildings: coal power plant, nuclear power plant, wind farm, solar farms. They all produce energy of different type, either high energy or medium energy, and the building will be using low energy or medium energy, so you will need to have also transformers and to convey the energy through cables. Next is everything which is internet related. The ISP core building is providing internet, and then through the ISP street substation, the entire town can be connected to internet through DSL cables. Next one is everything which is related to mobile phone, with small and large antenna to connect the entire town. That's it for the buildings we can place on the map. I hope you'll have some fun playing the game. Goodbye.